Part 1, the variables and the data types. Number 1 is student information system. This program uses the input function to gather the student ID, name, section, and 3 grades. It converts the grades into floats so mathematical operation can be performed. It calculates the average by adding the grades and dividing by 3. Finally, it displays a formatted output showing the student details and computed average. Okay, here's the result. Number 2 is salary calculator. Okay. This section calculates an employee salary. Overtime pay is computed by multiplying hours by 150. Then it adds the overtime to the basic salary to get the gross salary. A 12% tax is calculated and deducted to determine the net salary. The results are displayed with two decimal formatting for currency values. Here's the output. Number 3 is online shopping cart. Um, this program asks the user for the product name, quantity, and price of 3 different items. It then calculates the total price for each product by multiplying quantity by unit price. After computing the grand total, it prints a clear receipt style summary showing the cost for each item and the final total. Ito yung output.